In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create section grids in Wix. To get started, open your Wix site and go to the page where you want to add a section grid. Once you're on the correct page, look for the section you want to work with. This can be any existing section on your site that you'd like to organize into columns or divided areas. Section grids are useful because they help you structure content more cleanly, especially if you want to place text, images, buttons, or other elements side by side in a more balanced layout. After you've found the section you want to edit, click directly on that section. This is important because you need to make sure the section itself is selected before you can change how it's arranged. When the section is selected, you should see editing options appear near the top of the section. From those options, click on Change Layout. This is where Wix gives you different layout choices for that section. Once the layout panel opens, you'll be able to browse through the available options and choose the one that best matches the kind of grid structure you want. For example, some layouts may divide the section into two parts, while others may split it into more areas depending on the design you choose. Go ahead and select the layout you want to use. As soon as you click it, Wix will automatically apply that layout to the section. You'll immediately see that the section is now divided based on the option you selected. This makes it much easier to organize your content and gives your page a cleaner, more professional look. When choosing a layout, it's a good idea to think about the type of content you plan to place in each part of the grid. A simple split layout works well for two pieces of content side by side, while a more divided layout can help if you want to create a more detailed section design. Keeping your content balanced across the grid will also make the page easier for visitors to read and navigate. And that's all it takes to create section grids in Wix. It's a very quick way to improve the structure of your page and make your design feel more polished. Once your section is divided the way you want, you can continue customizing it with your content.